In Adenium plant care, we requires to consider a few very important points that plays a big role. And in this video, we will discuss Adenium plant care in details, including all aspects like propagation, season, problems, fertilizer needs and much more. So let's start. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Adenium plant grow very well in hot areas, with a very less humidity. If we talk about the growing season of Adenium plant, then it starts its growth in the starting springs, with a continuous and heavy flowering habit, all over the summers. And as the winter season starts, the Adenium plant became a little dormant. That will recover automatically, as the winter ends. Caring Adenium plant also decides how much it will grow and produces flowers. Adenium plant is an easy to grow container plant, that requires only a few things to keep in mind, for getting them on blooming. The first and most important thing in Adenium plant care is watering. It plays a very big role, to keep its growth online. On the same way a wrong watering technique, can lead to root rot, yellow leaves and a stunted growth. A frequent watering on alternate days, works well. But it depends on the soil, how much moisture it holds and how frequently it drains the extra moisture. But the thumb rule is to wait for the soil to dry out completely, and then water. Another thing in Adenium plant care is soil quality. A good quality soil helps your watering to go very perfect, but a poorly draining soil mix will definitely kill it. So choosing a good soil mix can keep you very away from yellow adenium leaves and root rot. Adenium plant requires a very well draining, loose soil mix. For that, perlite and sand helps you a lot. You can add these ingredients in your soil mix to make it well draining. Otherwise a ready to use soil mix is added in the description box. In Adenium plant care, the role of a good location is also unneglectable. The whole process of flowering, leaves formation etc. all depends upon the light. Therefore a good location can make it grow fast and a bad location can make it stunted and abnormal. For a fast growth and blooming of Adenium, provide it at least 5 to 7 hours of daily sun. This thing will keep its immune strong, provide a fast growth and blooming as well. The next important thing in Adenium plant care is a good fertilizer. The role of fertilizer in Adenium plant growth and blooming health is extremely important. A powerful fertilizer for Adenium works very well to keep the plant on blooming. And on the other hand, deficiency of any nutrient will also make many problems and hurdles in its growth. Adenium plant requires a powerful, nutrients-enriched fertilizer. For that you can use Cow Dung Compost. The complete guide on making and applying cow dung is added in the description box, but buying a ready-to-use fertilizer for Adenium plant is also a good option. You can also check out a ready-to-use fertilizer from the description box. In general, Adenium plant is a hardy plant and do not have many diseases and pests problems. Soft codex problem is very common in Adenium, that comes up due to overwatering condition, so must choose a good soil mix to prevent this Adenium problem. Yellowing of Adenium leaves is also a very common problem. Overwatering and nutrients deficiency are the major reasons of this problem. For that, keep it fertilized every 20 days and water carefully. Other minor problems wouldn't appear so much if you follow up this guide. So it's all about Adenium plant care. For any question leave a comment below. And for cow dung fertilizer, must check out this video.